AQI information can come from a variety of sources, like regulatory monitors, air sensors, or even emergency monitors deployed by federal or state agencies during a smoke event. The EPA Fire and Smoke Map is the only map that has them all and is the most accurate source for air sensor data. Once you're on the map, zoom into your location. Click on any source to see the current nowcast AQI. This is a low-cost air sensor. If you click the disclaimer, you can learn more about air sensors. This messaging will change as air quality deteriorates and will tell you how to protect yourself during a smoke event. In the top right-hand corner of the map, you can turn on or off various layers like fire incidents, monitors, and even smoke plumes. Check this map often before heading outside.